Hi guys, Larry here. Just a quick holler about what's happening tomorrow evening, which will be Friday the 5th of March at 6:30 p.m. on the Zoom Pen Hangout. I'm having the top 3 favorite pens. So that means you guys can come on and share your top 3 favorite pens. So I'm having the top 3 favorite pens that you can share. And then in this Zoom that we're going to have, I will be purchasing a $50 gift certificate for the winner to shop at Federalist Pens and Paper. 50 big ones to the lucky winner on Zoom. It can happen at any time while we're hanging out. But I tell you, it's going to happen before we close the Zoom room. So there's going to be a lucky winner on there somewhere. So if you have time and you want to hang out and you want to share your top 3 pens, if you can even do that, because I have a hard time with that, join me. And then Tony, Mr. Announcer, Tony
Rustici.
Very good. He was sleeping there a little bit. Will be on with me. Mr. Announcer will be there. And, of course, our room manager, Frank Overman, will be there. And Frank from Federalist Pens will be there. We'll all be there. The whole gang will be there. So come one, come all. Hey, you got a chance to win a $50 gift certificate that I am going to buy for some lucky person in the Zoom beat up. So, peace, love, and please don't text and drive. Take care. Bye-bye.